Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. The one and only Spontaneous Productions, part 2. We back, live in effect, live and direct. We live, let's connect. Hey yo, I need all my goons to do a solid right quick before we blast off with this crazy powerful gem that I'm about to bust you upside the head with. Do me a solid, smash on the like and subscribe button right now, cause it's about to get active. We about to get activated. Y'all goons about to get crazy motion, you heard? Man, I got that motion, about to rub it in your skin like lotion, you heard? Man, y'all goons ain't even ready for this, man. I don't even know if I should give you this one, but I'm gonna give you this, man, cause you know I'm a generous goon, straight like that. And I got good karma, you heard? Cause I'm such a generous goon. So today, y'all goons gonna get $100,000 on your credit profile in TRADELINE, alright? 100K, I'm gonna show you how to get this done, my goons. You're gonna put 100 racks on your credit profile today. Straight like that, one day. Now, I gave you this video maybe like 3 or 4 years back, man. The 100 TRADELINE method, 100K TRADELINE method, I gave you that. And that was one of my most popular videos way back on my first channel, where I got a brand new version for you goons for 2025, alright? I'm gonna show you goons how to put 100 racks in TRADELINEs on your credit profile in one day. Yes, I'm about to do it again, alright? The remix. So yo, first thing you guys gotta do is you're gonna go straight to Credit Strong, alright? Creditstrong.com, alright? And what you're gonna do, my goons, is you're gonna get a Credit Strong Magnum installment loan, and that's for $30,000, alright? $30,000 for this, alright? And this is installment loans, can be put to all 3 credit bureaus, alright? Big meat, big freaking clout you're about to put on your credit score. It's gonna look like you got a freaking auto loan on your credit profile. Even though it's not an auto loan, it's like the same thing. Installment loan, 30 racks, that's large. You wanna have large lines, big credit. When you got big credit, that is showing the banks, the lenders, the credit bureaus that, hey, you're responsible with large amounts of money. So when it's time for you to go apply for real credit cards, real lines of credit, real bank loans, okay, they're gonna give it to you, because they're gonna see that you know how to handle these installment loans. That's what these credit builders are for. They're to show responsibility. You show responsibility with this, then you get to unlock the achievement of getting the real loans, the real money. Okay, y'all goons gonna get the bands now. All right, so I'm showing you goons, that's the whole value of doing this. All right, so you're gonna get this 30K, and I'm gonna give you goons the price breakdown too along the way with all this. I'm gonna show you how to get it for about, it's gonna cost you about $1,500, straight like that. $1,500 bucks. This is gonna get you $100,000 on your credit profile, and then when you go apply for credit, you're going to get 100,000 and more. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 500,000. It's as far as you want to take it, but you're gonna get your foot in the door with this. I got you goons back, like I always do. So yo, get that 30K line. All right, now it's gonna cost $350 a month for this. All right, $350 a month. Just make sure you goons got some paper. Make sure you got your $1,500 ready. All right, so it's gonna cost you $350 for that, and it is $25, okay, to open it up. So plus $25 to open it up. Alright, gotta pay that. It is what it is. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. Now, once you make your first payment after you open it up, you're gonna open up a second installment loan from Credit Strong. Credit Strong will let you have 2 Magnum accounts. Alright, so open up a second one now. Okay, that's another $350, but you can't open it until you pay on the first one. Alright, so after you do that, just open it, pay as soon as you can. Like in the first week, you can pay on it, and after that, the very next week, open another one. Another $350 plus $25, the initiation fee to open it up. All right, okay, got it, okay. Bet. So that's $700 right there plus 2 initiation fees. That's $50. Okay, so now you just paid the $750. All right. Now the next play you're gonna do is go to Credit Strong again, and you're gonna open up Revolve. With Credit Strong, you can have 4 accounts, okay? But you can only have 2 magnums. All right, like each product they have, you can only have 2 of it. So you're gonna go to get the Revolve, and Revolve is a revolving line of credit. All right, not installment loans, is like credit cards, revolving line, and this is $100. So it's $100 for $1,000 trade line. All right, and it reports to all 3 credit bureaus every month. This one you pay the $100, and it reports $1,000 trade line every month to all 3 credit bureaus for a year. All right, you set it and forget it. That's how you can do this one. But if you wish to, you can pay monthly payments of like $20, and then after like a couple of months, maybe like 6 months or so, they raise the credit line to like $2,000, and then like in a couple of months you pay on it, they raise it to $3,000. So it could go up to $3,000 in a year if you choose to pay on it. But we're not even going to talk about paying on it. We're just going to talk about set it and forget it. Pay $100, get $1,000 line. Okay, bet. So when you do that, now open up another one. You can have 2 of those. All right. So basically, you're gonna get 2 of those $1,000 trade lines from Credit Strong, the revolving line. All right. So now you have 2 installment loans from Credit Strong for $30,000. Now you have 2 revolving lines from Credit Strong for $1,000 a pop. All right. So that's $62,000 right there off Credit Strong. All right. So that's how that's gonna work. All right, and this is no hard inquiry, by the way. All of these are no hard inquiry, all of them. All right, every single thing I'm about to give you on the list will give you 0 hard inquiry. So you can get this credit approval with no hard inquiry. So it's gonna be easy for you to get the real credit when it's time for you to apply. All right, so I'm giving you crazy sauce. Ain't nobody got you hitting goons in the head with no gems like this. This is one of them. Kind sauce right here, you heard? So mash that like, subscribe button for this, you heard? So yo, the next place you goons are gonna go to is a jewelry store. We're gonna get a $15,000 trade line, okay? It's called IFJ Jewelers, okay? So you're gonna go to shopifjonline.com, all right? So shopifj.com, shopifjonline.com. You're gonna get a $15,000 trade line. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and you're gonna buy some jewelry. They got moissanite jewels. It's basically like, you know, fake diamonds, the lab made diamonds with the high quality, crazy bling, crazy shine, all that. But it doesn't matter about the jewelry. It's just about the trade line. So pick out some. You can get some for about like $270, $280. All right. That's about the least you're gonna pay. You gotta pay 30% down, all right? So you pay 30% down, and then once you do that, you're gonna get your jewelry, and then you gotta pay $47 a month, all right? $47 a month until it's all paid off. Then once it's all paid off, boom, it's gonna report to all 3 credit bureaus that you paid off your loan, okay, for your jewelry, whatever it was, $280, $300, it don't matter, but the trade line is $15,000, all right? So that's 15 racks. You just add it on your credit profile, all right? So that's already $77,000 just right there, all right? 2 websites, $77,000. All right, the next site you guys are gonna blast off to is kickoff.com. All right, this is one of my favorites. I love Kickoff. Kickoff is a great trade line. You're gonna go to Kickoff and you're gonna get a $3,500 trade line. All right, $3,500 with Kickoff. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Costs $35 a month. All right, so you're gonna pay $35 a month for Kickoff, and this one it does credit monitoring. So basically, I just use it and it pays for credit monitoring pretty much, you know, and that's pretty much all I use it for, and it reports the trade line straight like that. You can buy like ebooks and stuff like that off the Kickoff website with the trade line, but I just don't do it. I just use it for the credit building. So it's one of those where you set it and forget it. Set it to auto pay, my goon, and it'll just auto pay every month like clockwork. Boom, $35. Boom, $35. Take it out, easy. straight like that. And it's for a year, good for a year. So 3,500 trade line right there. Kickoff. Reports, I use it, it's good. Okay? Now, next trade line we're going to get is meetava.com. You want to go to meetava.com, and this is an app, all right? So you're going to download the MeetAva app, and when you go to Ava, you're going to get another trade line. It's going to be 2,500. So Ava's going to give you $2,500 trade line. All right? This one, $9 a month. Straight like that. So you're going to pay $9 a month. It's like a subscription. You know, you pay the subscriptions and stuff. Like, you know, you can do Apple Pay and Amazon Prime and stuff like that. You know, a little knick-knack nonsense. You know, Netflix. But it don't matter, though. If you're not into all that, it don't matter. I'm not into any of that stuff. But if you are, cool. If you're not, cool. We're just getting it to build this credit and get this 100 racks on that credit profile. You heard? With no hard inquiry. So that's how we're doing this for, you heard? So that's the play. So I gave you another website, okay? Straight like that. So meetava.com. Now, that is 83,000. So that's $83,000 already in primary trade lines. These are all primary trade lines. You have zero hard inquiry. Alright? That's how we moving with this. So the next step, alright, you're gonna get an authorized user. Okay? One authorized user trade line. Basically, if you don't know what an authorized user trade line is, a trade line that somebody else has a credit card. It's going to piggyback off of somebody else's credit card. You don't get the credit card, so you don't get to use it, but you get all the information, the positive payment information. You get that straight like that. But you also get their negative information if it's negative. So do not get an authorized user with negative information with high utilization, because you get that too. You want to go get one where the utilization is low, where the credit line is high, it's in good standing, and you're on long age. Okay, that long age will help your credit score grow significantly. All right, you need that, because all these accounts are cutting down your credit age. So try to find you an authorized user with longer age. But this list wasn't about age, but that's something to add in and factor in, because all these new accounts are cutting down your age. But get you a $17,000 authorized user trade line. That is easy to get, straight like that. The easiest place you can get an authorized user trade line with $17,000 credit line that I would recommend to over any place. I got a credit plug, my goons. I got the plug for authorized user trade lines for the cheap, for the low. I can help you get authorized users for cheap. You can get the trade lines, resell them. You can get trade lines as low as $50. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be a $17,000 line, but it might be $100. It might be $80, but still way cheaper than market price. All right. And so that's, one resource I got. So if you're interested in that, tap in with the goon and I'll help you with that. But if you don't want to get it from me, if you don't want the plug, that's fine. I will say go to eBay. That is a place where I would get authorized user trade lines from. You get authorized user trade lines off of eBay. And what's great about eBay is that they have buyer protection. Alright, so if anything is to go wrong where someone doesn't come through with the trade line, you can just file a dispute with eBay and get your money back. Okay, eBay has buyer protection. So I would get the trade line off eBay. I got a trade line before off eBay, and man, that AU trade line I got on eBay about like 4 years ago, and it's still on my credit profile. Okay, that's crazy. That thing I spent like, I don't know, $350, $400, and that was 4 years ago. It's still worth it. It fell off of one credit bureau, but it's still on 2 credit bureaus to this day, still in perfect positive history. And the thing with authorized users, you can remove them yourself if you wish to, but hey, for whatever reason, the seller didn't take me off for 2 bureaus and everything's good, so hey, I'm rocking it. And if I need to take it off, I can take it off. But yo, that is the spot, eBay. So you can get this for like, I would say, I wouldn't pay more than $500, but that depends on what the age is. If it's got long age, it's gonna cost more. If it's got shorter age, it's gonna be cheaper. But you $17,000, you can get that easy to find. So now that is 8 accounts, 0 hard inquiry. You heard? Ain't nobody giving you gems like this, sauce like this. Man, that's the one and only Spontaneous Productions Method Solutions. You heard? Man, I give you real methods and I give you real solutions. Straight like that. So that is 8 accounts you just added to your credit profile. 0 hard inquiry. And that is $100,000. Okay? And the price for this, to get all that going, you can spend about $1,500. Okay, even less if you get the authorized user for cheap. All right, you get the authorized user for cheap, you could probably knock that down another like $300, $400. So all in all, like $1,200 gets you 100 racks on your profile, ready to go, straight like that. Can't be beat. And then, hey, once that stuff is hidden, now you can go ahead and apply for credit. I for sure can guarantee you're gonna have a high credit score, 780 credit score and up. I for sure guarantee you're gonna be hitting like that. And when your credit score is busting like that, 780 and up, that's where the money's at. All right, 750 is good, but over 750, that's where the money's at. 780, 800, shit. Hey, sky's the limit. Can't lose. 800 credit score, for sure. You're getting proved, straight like that. So yo, you found the value in this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know who? One and only Spontaneous Productions Part 2. The sauce never ends, man. You thought this was fire? I got crazy way more methods, man. Way more methods than this. Way more sauce than this. It'll blow your freaking mind back. You heard? Yo, we're gonna tap into my exclusive sauce. 500, I got you. Just hit me up. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. And I'll get you right, man. Credit sweep methods. I got the credit sweep method. I'll teach you how to credit sweep any credit profile, wipe away any amount of debt, any kind, any type. Now you can get it off in 7 days. Alright, and I'll show you money plays. You want to make money with this credit? You want to turn your credit into cash with lucrative plays? Holla at me. I got those plays too. Can't share them on YouTube though. You heard? So yo, blast off my goons. I gave you stupid sauce. Can't lose with this one. Till next time. We out. Peace.